Good morning, all. I hope you guys are doing great. My student today topic is Lathe Modifier. We can use modifier for architecture, interior, and exterior designing. And one other option is band. We can also use a band for different kind of shapes. We can use band modifier and FFD modifiers. Now let's start. First, select your software 3ds Max and open the active viewport. Okay, and we can use different type of shapes with help of Lathe modifier. And first, create option, then go to a shape option. Here is the other option is spline. We can use a line tool for Lathe modifier. Okay, first select a line tool. Now go to the front view. Okay, we can create a different shape. Okay, now what we do, select our shape and press W short command for move and selection tool. Then go to a modifier option, and here is a modifier list. Okay, click on it. We have a different type of modifier here, but press L for key Lathe modifier. Okay, select this one. When we select and apply Lathe modifier, simply our line convert to a this kind of object. Okay, what we do, we can change a setting of our line tool and create a perfect model. Okay, go to line option and click on vertex, and we can select here is a show and edit triggered on, so we can easily view our final result. Here is one orange line is the cross each center axis. What we do, select center line vertex. We can first select vertex. Okay, and move to other side. Now what happened here, when we select particular this thing line, our object simply uh, change to perfect modeling option. Okay, now what we do, select this one again, the line cross here, and we can change the particular tool. Here is the option, right click on it, and here is the Bezier option. When we click Bezier, our Bezier option is on, and we can easily change model. Okay, now select this one and increase the size top axis, and we can use such kind of here is the other center vertex. We can manage this vertex. Okay, like this. We can also use this one, right click and smooth option. We can use this vertex like this. Okay, change the base size and select this one and manage according to our size. Okay, select both and decrease the basic size of particular vertex. Now select this one, we can increase perfect size and go to and place all those things. Now we have a simple such kind of object. Okay, now what we do, go to a modifier and use a other modifier here. It's called mesh smooth. Okay, now our object simply look like this. We can use different type of object with help of Lathe tool, and select this one. Okay, and again we use a copy of particular this object, and go to a vertex point, simply so, and we can change our object here. Right click and use the smooth option. Okay, now select this one, and we don't apply what kind of object. Okay, now again select this one, shift and drag, make other copy, go to the line tool, select vertex again, so particular vertexes. Okay, now we can change our object to different shape. Okay, we can easily uh, use a lithe object for different kind of shapes and different pattern work with help of lithe. Okay, now we have other option here. Select box, create a box tool. Okay, now we can increase the number of segment. First F4 short command for view a segment edges. Okay, here we increase the other side and hide segment. Okay, we can create a such kind of effect, and we can use a band modifier. Okay, directly go to modifier and apply band. Here is the option parameters. First is band angle. We can manage a angle to particular box. Okay, we can also value of direction. You can change angle different direction. Okay, can use a 90. Now if you use a 180, our object simply change 180 direction. Okay, now is 0, the default direction is. Now we can increase the amount of a particular angle, so we can easily convert our object is different time uh, shapes. Okay, like this. We have other option here, band option. We can use a particular object to like this. Okay, here is a y-axis. We can also manage a y-axis angle, and we can change a different type of object here. Again, we can use a z axis. We can simply convert our object band to z axis. Okay, this is basically parameters of band modifier, and we can create different types of shapes with help of band modifier, to create like we can use all these things for creating exterior environment, exterior building modeling. Okay, we can use band modifier to convert easy our object to different type of shapes. Okay, now here is one other option we can use for modify. Go to FFD. We have three basic values of FFD: 2 into 2 into 2, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 4. What is this? First, the selector 2 mark. When we use FFD 2 cross 2 cross 2, it means we have two option: bottom 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 2 2 option for all axes. We can easily convert our modifier. Here is the option control point is called control point. We can easily select the control point and easily change our object to different kind of shapes. Okay, we can convert our building like this. Here is the other option. We can use second FFD3. We have one other options. We can use 1 2 3 points to manage all these things. Now select, go to a control point and select a back point, and our object look like this. We can change shape of particular building and different type of shapes. And now one other option is select this one and copy, go to the modifier and cut, create a new modifier FFP 4 points. Now we have option here, four different point, 1 2 3 4 point to manage all this object. Can simply go to a control point, select a control point and simply create a such kind of buildings. Okay, now what to do, scale all these things and our building look like this. Okay, we can also manage a particular points like the center point of vertex. We can change a building look like a different type of shapes with simple selection of FFD. Okay, we have different kind of object and buildings to create shapes for exterior and interior design. We can easily create such kind of shapes with help of these modifiers. I hope you guys are understand how to work with Lathe object, how to work band tool, and how to work FFD for interior and exterior designing.